Hey there, manufacturing leaders. Are you ready to elevate your operations and drive unprecedented growth? Join us as we dive into how Odoo, paired with the expertise of O2B Technologies, can revolutionize your manufacturing landscape. Let's explore together why Odoo is a game changer for manufacturing. Integrated operations. Manage inventory, quality control, and production planning all in one place with Odoo, ensuring seamless workflows by eliminating data silos. Customizable workflows. Got unique manufacturing needs? Odoo's got you covered with tailored workflows designed just for you. Real-time monitoring. Stay on top of operations with Odoo's tools. Monitor metrics, spot bottlenecks, and make informed decisions quickly. Scalability. Whether you're a small workshop or a large production facility, Odoo grows with you, ensuring flexibility and adaptability. Cost efficiency. Boost your bottom line by minimizing manual tasks and optimizing processes with Odoo. The benefits of partnering with O2B Technologies for Odoo in manufacturing. Integrated excellence. O2B Technologies unites inventory management, quality assurance, and production planning for a complete workflow overview. Tailored solutions. We customize Odoo to meet your unique manufacturing needs, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Real-time insights. Gain real-time visibility into production metrics with advanced monitoring tools from O2B Technologies. Future-ready scalability. Our Odoo solutions ensure smooth growth and adaptability for businesses of all sizes. Why O2B Technologies is the best Odoo partner for manufacturing. Unmatched expertise. We bring deep Odoo knowledge and manufacturing experience, making us the top choice for excellence. Proven track record. Our history of successful Odoo implementations drives measurable results and improvements for clients. Customer-centric approach. We focus on your unique needs, aligning our solutions with your business objectives. Ready to elevate your manufacturing operations? Like, subscribe, and partner with O2B Technologies, the top Odoo partner for your success. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.